Guess what, guys? I just found out something. Where's my stuff? No, look. There's. Where's my stuff? It's gone.
What'd you do?
I didn't do anything.
You're retarded.
No one, stop.
Why do
the
I
film.
have glasses?
Stop that film. Sorry, we messed up.
Great time.
We will be back in a minute.
Please pay attention to this werewolf. Bye.
We'll be back in a second. Mike, I hate this. I hate it.
We'll be back. We have some minor damages. Please. Please.
Listen to Bruno Mars.
Please watch this weird crying cat. What'd you do to it?
I don't know.
Did you just move out of the way or something?
No.
Well, I don't know what you did.
What is that?
Why is there a monster on the screen? Why is he laughing? This is so
yeah.
weird. TJ, show him your face. Say hello.
Hello.
He threw up in
Meanie.
his face. Now, I'm gonna show him my face. Oh, he loves my face. Oh. Oh. There's that baby on the screen. It's a mad baby.
It's a dragon baby. It's a dragon baby.
You will never find out who I am. Let's see that again. He's nervous. Wrong answer. Why? Let's just go get to sleep. It's a chihuahua.
He's like, I'm a chihuahua. I'm a chihuahua. My nervous chihuahua too. That's funny.
Alright, since we're having some minor difficulties, let's have a puking contest. First, the white cat. Okay, that's a small kind of puke. The other cat. I give that one a 9. All black guys puke. About a 3. Oh yeah, totally a 10. 5. 8. 2. 4. A 10. And a 3, because skeletons don't puke. Alright. So it's down to this one and this one. Let's see who gets mad the most. Okay, I think he's pretty mad. Let's see about the pit bull. Yeah, he's mad too. Okay. Let's see who falls asleep the quickest. Wow. What sharp teeth. Okay, what about this monster guy? Monster, 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 monster. Guess what, monster? You just won $1,000! That's exactly what I would say if I just won $1,000, just like you. High five. Okay, we're back. Why is that string still messed up?
Just like this.
This is so weird.
Oh my god.
Let's go back to the weird monster guy. Okay, and we're back to the weird monster guy. We'll try to figure this out later. Alright.